Hi guys, my name is Shreya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to do a dance tutorial on the party song, and it's really trending at the moment on TikTok. And before we get started, I am going to do a quick demo of the dance before we dive into the steps. And that was some suggestions that I got from you guys for my last dance video, was that it would be really nice if you could see what we are going to start dancing on and then get into dance. So here you go. I hope you enjoy the dance tutorial. Let's dive in. Ready?
I'm a party girl, she just wild.
So we're breaking this dance down into a total of 16 steps. It's a bit longer than the last tutorial, but it's really easy. It's not that difficult. So are we ready? Let's get started with step 1. So it's you take a right hand again across your chest like this in a diagonal way, and you just hit it. Take your left shoulder back, and when your hand meets the shoulder, you just hit it with it. So you go 1, 1, 1. Okay, so step 1 here. Step 2 is put your hands up like this into fists and just move your body. Or you can just do this because it says likes to, the lyrics is Lil Mama likes to party. So you're just gonna go do a party wave, likes to party. Or you can even do just party, whatever is comfortable for you. I prefer to do it this way, likes to party. So 1, 1, 2. Then step 3 is you take your left hand and you do a quick axe, like you take your left hand towards your right and left. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That's step 3. So step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay? Moving on to step 4 is you're going to take both your hands into fist like this. You're going to turn your body more towards your right. Take out your left hip a bit so it's a little out. Okay? And then you take your both hands and you're going to do a hit like this. So when you do your hit, when your hands are about to reach your hip, you have to push your left hip out. It's going to be like a movement. Okay? So hit. That is our step 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, like, put all your energy when you're doing this. And from here, we are going to take both from the same position. We're just going to switch our hands over like an axe over each other. So 5. So that's 4 and 5. Moving on to step 6. So we finished step 5 here. This is a bit tricky. So what you do is take your hands to your side in fists. You're going to bend your legs a bit, and then you're going to take your right hand along with your left hand in a motion over your body, like you're trying to drive something. You're going to twist it a bit. Okay, so when you're doing that, your body goes with it. So when you're going up, it goes out, and when it comes in, it comes back in. I'm going to do it a bit quick and show it to you guys. So you finish 5 and 6. You want to twist into your left with your right knee. So you're going to bend both the knees, but you're going to bend. Just going to show you how you bend the knee a bit. So you go, you're doing the step, you go. Okay, so we finished on step 6 here. We finish here, and from here we're just going to go drag our hands away and go behind. So it's going to be really cool. From here, take both your hands away from your body and just give a bit of shake or a wave, like just whoa. Okay, So we finish here, and from here we go this, away. That's step 7. Step 8 is from here you just pull both your hands over your body, and you just continue moving your body in a similar fashion. So you just give a small wave. If you can't do a wave, you can just keep moving your legs. So you finish doing 8. Then 9 is you did it inwards, and now you're gonna take your hands and go a party. You're gonna just go party. Okay? So that's step 9. It's really easy. Step 9 is like all you have to do after this is take your hands back out in a party form, like in a party. We're gonna go over step 10 now. So you point your fingers like this towards the camera. So it's like a spring action. And then you go put your hands like this, and you cross them over each other, and then move them away. So it's very quick, away. And then you turn them upwards, and again repeat the same. So you cross them downwards, away from each other, make them face upwards, bring them closer again, and cross them away. Is that easy? You downwards, cross away, upwards, cross. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna do it from step 1 to step 10 again. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, and step 10. That's what we learned just now. So we finished here. That is step 10. Step 11 is love to get. Love to get. And you have to keep moving your feet all the time. Okay, so it's this motion. Love, make a heart. Love to get. That's the lyrics. Love to get. Love to get. Okay, so we finished on step 11 where we did love to get and naughty. So for naughty, we're gonna put our left hand over our head like this, and then we're gonna put our right hand in a fist near our hip and sway to the right, sway to the left, sway to the right, sway to the left. When your left hand needs to come down after one sway. So you go, put your hand up, sway right, and then when you sway to the left, take your hand down and you sway. Okay, so that's step 12. I'm going to do a recap from step 10. So your friends love to get naughty. Okay, moving on for step 13. This part is not there in Charlie D'Amelio's choreography. This is what I've added for it's my own addition. So what you do for step 13 is you go 1 and 2. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my right hand on my shoulder level. I'm placing it like this in an angle in front of me. It's not next to me, it's in front of me. And what you're going to do is you're going to dip back on your right leg. So you're going to bend your right leg a bit and you're going to dip on it. So 1. And when you cover this action with your hand, when you're trying to get someone, okay, so you're going to get someone by the neck, you go 1, 1, okay. So you do that twice in step 13. So you go 1, 2, cool. That's step 13. Step 14 is you finish here and then you face your camera. So you go 1, you cross your hands over each other and touch your shoulder like this. So we finish step 13 here. 14, as I mentioned, we cross our hands over. I love to go with my right hand because that's where I'm finishing, so it's easier to place it here and then place my right hand over my left hand. So that's 1, 2. What I do is I cross my hands over each other and then I'm going to cross them away and touch my shoulder again. So cross and touch them again. And you're going to keep moving the feet. Okay, you have to have the tip tap action, and if you can wave your body, it's amazing if you can go along with the flow. So whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So step 13, you do it twice in step 13. So 1, 2, and then step 14 is 1. And so we finished step 14 by doing this. Step 15 is love. Again, your heart. Love, love. The last step, 16. Step number 16 is you finish on 15 here and you just do a U. U. You can do a U. You just need to say, pointing towards the camera. You. Love you. That's step 16. Now we are going to go over the entire dance routine now without music, without the song first. So let's get started. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Are you guys ready for the party dance? Okay, I'm gonna stop hopping and get started.
I'm a party girl, she just wanna
I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions on what my next video should be, let me know. If you guys have any other particular request that you would like to have a dance tutorial on, and I will do one for you. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the subscribe icon right there, the yellow heart. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.